If your weight loss journey feels like climbing Everest, your mind might just be the Sherpa you need. Here's the deal. Your conscious mind sets the goals. Visualize that dream body, plan healthy meals, and commit to workouts. Simple, right? But here's where the magic happens. Your subconscious mind. Your subconscious is the powerhouse driving your habits. Imagine it like a navigation system. Feed it positive affirmations and visualize success. Over time, your subconscious starts to align your actions with your goals. Feeling tempted by late-night snacks? Train your subconscious to crave healthier options. Practice mindfulness. Recognize those triggers and reprogram them. Remember, consistency is key. Small, positive changes compound over time. So, talk to yourself kindly, visualize success, and let your subconscious pave the way. You've got this. Your mind is your most powerful tool. Start using it today and watch the weight melt away. You can get Richard Trillian Mante's weight loss book called You Will Keep Struggling to Lose Weight Until You Try This 4-Step Method of Losing Weight from his website richardtmante.com and also from Amazon. Kindly support this channel by pressing like, share, and subscribe to get future amazing videos. Thank you for watching.